Hello, welcome to Qualcy. In this video, I am going to give a quick overview of the Qualcy eQMS solution. My name is Sanjay Dal. I am one of the co-founders and the group manager for quality and compliance solutions at Qualcy. I have 18 plus years of experience in the medical device and regulatory industries. I have very good understanding of the GMP and GLP regulations. Before I go in and show you the QMS software and QMS solutions, let me ask you a quick questions. Are you managing your QMS with paper-based systems or Excel and Access databases? There is nothing wrong with that. You may be wasting a lot of your valuable times and the resources. So at Qualcy, we provide a eQMS solution that's a cloud-based eQMS solution. It's hosted on the AWS platform, Amazon AWS platforms. We provide the IQOQ validation report for the regulatory compliance. It's a simple, easy to use solutions. Here are the top 5 benefits, or I would say the differentiators of the Qualcy eQMS compared to other solutions available in the markets. It's simple, easy to use, and it has built-in templates and the workflows so that you don't have to create the forms and the documents from the scratch. And it has built-in audit trails and the e-signature options for the regulatory compliance. All the modules have automated workflow options. You have the option to create the documents or create the records, and you have the option to set up the review by the approvers. Again, there is a flexible setups. You can set up the number of reviewers, the department of the reviewers. Once the records gets reviewed or approved, the records are stored in the virtual cabinets. Qualcy eQMS has auto schedules and reminder options so that you don't have to send manual emails that you may be sending out when you are using the paper-based or Excel systems, and it sends out reminders to the users when there is any task is coming or if there is anything pending their review. Qualcy eQMS has built-in compliance features. It has built-in audit trails, e-signature options. It complies with ISO and FDA requirements. And as I mentioned earlier, we do provide IQOQ validation reports for the compliance requirements. And Qualcy eQMS is an integrated system. You have the options for the user management. You can register the users and assign permissions. And there is option for managing the static data. For example, the department names, if you have equipment manufacturer, model, location, those data. And once you have the static data and once you have the users in the system, you can create the records and you can manage your QMS smoothly. So let me go into the system and give you a quick overview. As you can see, I'm accessing the software using Chrome browser. I'm going to log in as an admin. Once I log in, it goes to the inbox page, which is a notification page. It's similar to your to-do list. All the users will have their own to-do list or the notifications, and the notifications have links. For example, if there is a task that's coming due or overdue, you would open that notifications and there will be a link that will take directly to that specific records. For example, if this is training records, it takes me directly to the training management module and to that specific records. Also in the inbox page, you have option to review the metrics and the performance charts. You can configure the charts as you need for your specific requirements. Let me go to the document management module and give you a quick overview. As you can see, we have a release document sections. We have a draft where you are creating the documents and or making edits. So those would be stored in a virtual cabinet. We call that draft cabinets. And also we have another virtual cabinet for the archive documents. Once your documents get reviewed and approved, the release versions should be available in the release locations, and the previous version should automatically get archived. So that's in the archived locations. Besides that, we do have options for quickly navigating or accessing the release document. So it's the same documents which are available in tree structures or the branch structure, so that you don't have to do any kind of search. And also we do have advanced search options in case if you need to find the document. So specific documents by status, by author, by company name, and under the advanced search option you can search by the document types and subtypes. So let me go to the training management module, and the training management module is integrated with the document management module. And when you create the change request in the document management module, you can set off the auto notifications if the users have training metrics created and the training plans available. The system would send them the notifications that the release document has been updated. And for each user they would have the assignments, individual assignment sections. Anything that's pending their review would appear here. And if they have completed their training records, so those would appear under the completed sections. We do have dashboard options, and you can look at the metrics by the departments or by training methods. We do have the option for creating the training assignments if you want to create a manual training assignments for specific documents, so you can do that. So let me go to the equipment management module. In the equipment module you can see that you have option for creating the equipments, and there is option for managing the calibration, PM, and out of tolerance. You can create your calibration spec templates if you are managing the data for the calibration, so we do have full functionality for managing the calibration data as well. And if you are looking for managing the IQ of the equipment, so we do have that option as well. So let me go to the Kappa module. In the Kappa module, as you can see, you have the option for creating the Kappas. If you have already created the Kappas, those would be available under in process documents. If those Kappas have been closed, you'll see them under the closed records. So let me go to one of the in process documents, and if I open up the Kappa record, you can see we have the Kappa workflow built in with the Kappa forms. So you have option for documenting the Kappa background information, Kappa source, action type, if it's a corrective action or preventative actions. And once the Kappa is created, so it goes to the investigations, and once the investigation is approved, it goes to the implementation, and we do have effectiveness verification as well. So we do have additional modules for audit management, NC management, supplier quality management, and product risk management. So the risk management is also integrated with all the modules. In case you are interested to see a full demo of the softwares, please go to qualcy.com and submit your request. We'll set up some time and give you a full demo. Again, thank you for watching this video.